Tetrapylon of Palmyra. Once a grand testament to the interconnectedness of our world, now a solemn reminder of the fragility of our heritage. Yet within these ancient stones lies a blueprint for the future, a message whispered across millennia to the tech entrepreneurs of today. The Tetrapylon stood at the crossroads of the Silk Road, a symbol of trade, cultural exchange, and human ambition. It bore witness to the ebb and flow of empires, the birth of new ideas, and the enduring spirit of innovation. Today, as we stand on the cusp of a new technological revolution, the lessons of the Tetrapylon resonate with renewed urgency. We are crafting our own Silk Roads in the digital sphere, forging connections across continents and cultures. Just as the Tetrapylon once welcomed merchants and travelers from distant lands, so too can we build digital gateways that bridge divides and foster collaboration. The spirit of innovation that characterized ancient Palmyra finds its echo in the entrepreneurial spirit of the 21st century. We are driven by the same thirst for knowledge, the same desire to connect with the wider world, and the same ambition to leave our mark on history. The challenge before us is to harness these digital tools not just for profit but for progress, to breathe new life into our shared cultural heritage and make it accessible to all. The Tetrapylon, though tragically scarred, still stands as a beacon, reminding us of the power of human connection and the enduring legacy of our past. It is a call to action for tech entrepreneurs to build a future where technology empowers, enlightens, and unites us all. Imagine donning a VR headset and stepping through time. The sun beats down as you find yourself in the bustling marketplace of ancient Palmyra. You can almost hear the murmur of languages, the bartering of merchants, the laughter of children. This is the power of technology, to make the past tangible, to transport us across time and space, to experience history firsthand. Through virtual reality, augmented reality, and AI-powered reconstructions, we can rebuild lost worlds, offering immersive experiences that educate and inspire. Three-dimensional scanning and photogrammetry allow us to capture the intricate details of historical sites, preserving them for future generations. These digital replicas can be studied by scholars, explored by students, or experienced by anyone curious about the past. Imagine walking through a digitally reconstructed Colosseum, witnessing the roar of the crowd and the clash of gladiators, or exploring the lost city of Petra, its intricate facades carved into the sandstone cliffs. This technology isn't limited to visual experiences. AI can analyze historical texts, music, and art, bringing to life the stories and emotions of bygone eras. Imagine hearing the long silent melodies of ancient instruments, recreated from fragmentary scores, or interacting with AI-powered avatars of historical figures, engaging in conversations that illuminate their worldviews and motivations. We have the tools to democratize access to our shared heritage, to make it engaging and accessible to a global audience. The convergence of culture and technology is creating a new Silk Road, one paved with digital assets and global opportunities. Imagine a world where you can own a digital piece of the Great Wall of China, verified on a blockchain, or trade virtual artifacts from the Egyptian Museum in Cairo, their authenticity and provenance guaranteed. This is the promise of blockchain technology and NFTs to create new markets for cultural heritage, empowering creators and institutions while expanding access for enthusiasts worldwide. Imagine educational platforms offering interactive courses that take you on virtual expeditions to archaeological digs, museums, and historical landmarks. Students could learn about ancient civilizations from renowned experts, participate in virtual excavations, and even handle digital replicas of artifacts. Virtual tourism will allow people to experience the wonders of the world without the limitations of time, budget, or physical ability. Imagine exploring the Taj Mahal under a full moon, virtually trekking the Inca Trail or diving the Great Barrier Reef, all from the comfort of your home. These digital experiences can generate revenue for conservation efforts, ensuring the preservation of these sites for future generations. In a world saturated with digital content, authenticity is paramount. This is especially true in the realm of cultural heritage, where respect, accuracy, and sensitivity are crucial. Tech entrepreneurs must prioritize ethical considerations, working closely with historians, archaeologists, and local communities to ensure that digital representations are accurate and culturally sensitive. By weaving together technology and tradition, entrepreneurs can create experiences that are not just entertaining, but also enriching and enlightening. This focus on authenticity, on respectfully presenting diverse cultures and histories, will be a key differentiator in the marketplace. Consumers are increasingly discerning, seeking experiences that are not only technologically sophisticated, but also ethically sound. Investing in cultural authenticity is not just good ethics, it's good business. It builds trust with audiences, fosters cultural understanding, and creates a sustainable model for the future. The fusion of technology and heritage is not about replacing the past, but about making it more accessible, engaging, and relevant to the present. It's about building bridges across time and space, connecting people with their shared history and empowering them to shape a future that celebrates our collective human story.